the weather is too much cold and the living situation is also. And you have seen that where we sleep, and you can see the situation of our living. We have blankets. In fact, I didn't sleep for 3 or 4 nights because the weather is too much cold. And if you see and go my sleep place, it is freezing cold, you know. The ice is on my blankets.
Before 6 months I left Afghanistan. Now I'm here. You can see us that and how we are living here. And it's too bad that we are here. There's too cool. There's snow. There's no electricity. There's no fire. So we are in a bad condition here.